On this video today, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you up to $15 per hour to work online from home. The tasks on this website are so simple, so you are not required to have any experience or any skills to work on this website. Everything is so basic, so no matter your qualification level, you can find some simple tasks on this website to perform so that you can be earning money on this website. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this website. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The website that we are going to be talking about today is Clickworker. You can see right here, Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. How it works: you can sign up as a Clickworker free of charge. You work independently, your schedule is flexible, all you need is a computer and or mobile device with an internet connection. So that is all. You are not required to have any degree or any qualification to start working on this website. What you need is your mobile phone or your computer. The tasks are very simple. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be working on a freelance basis. We are not going to be employed as a full-time worker. So we are going to be working as much as the task is available. So these are the tasks that you are going to be doing on this website. You can see the first one is text creation. You are going to be writing product description, articles, informative text. So whatever that you are assigned to write, you are going to write it so that you can be paid. The next one is categorization. Categorization is simply grouping the data about website based on the category that they belong to. So if they belong to technology category, you are going to do that. Garden category, you are going to do that. Science category, you are going to do that. So whatever that you are instructed to do, you are going to do exactly that so that you can be paid. The next one is copy editing. Copy editors check corrected text with regard to content, style, and the exact implementation of the job instructions. So the job owner is going to instruct to edit the content that they've written. So it depends on whatever that they want you to check on. So whatever that you are supposed to do, the instruction will be given to you so that you can do the copy editing. The next one is proofreading. So proofreading, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be checking spelling, grammar, style, expressing, and the implementation of the job instructions. The implementation of the job instructions simply means what the job owner is going to instruct you to do. So apart from checking the spelling, grammar, style, expressing, the job owner has a specific need that they want you to correct. So they will tell you what you are supposed to do so that you can perform exactly that and you are going to be paid. You can see research for data and addresses of companies, restaurants, and other localities in the web. Under this particular task, you are going to be doing research about companies, restaurants, so that you can collect data about them. The instruction will be given to you when you create your Clickworker accounts. Everything that you are supposed to do will be given to you so that you can do exactly that. The next one is surveys. You are going to participate in surveys. So once you complete the surveys, you are going to be paid. The next one is mystery visits. What you are going to be doing is that they are going to ask you to visit a shop, take a picture of a product. So once you take the picture and upload it at Clickworker, you are going to be paid. The next one is app testing. This is something that you can easily do. You are going to be testing apps, look at their design and their functionalities, how they design it. Is it something that you like? So once you test it, you are going to give your review so that you can be paid. The next one is photo capturing. Photo capturing is simply taking a photo of an object. The job owner is going to give you the instruction that you have to follow. You might be asked to take a photo of an animal or any other object. So once you take the photo and upload it to Clickworker, you are going to be paid. The next one is audio recordings. So you can be asked to record a short audio. If you are supposed to record on something, the instruction will be given to you and you are going to do the recording so that you can be paid. You can see video recording. So you can use your phone to do a video recording of anything that you are asked to do so that you can be paid. So these are the things that you are going to be doing on Clickworker so that you can be paid. So as you can see right here, you are going to be paid on a weekly basis or monthly basis. So it depends on the payment method that you choose. So if you choose the right payment method, we are going to be receiving payment every week, as you can see it right here. So now if you can perform any of the tasks, what you are going to do is that just scroll down to the bottom of the website, click on sign up so that you can enter your details. Once you enter your details, you are going to asked to activate your account. So you are going to see an email like this. Once you see an email like this, just click on this particular link so that you can activate your accounts. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on next step. Once you click on next step, you can see if you choose to receive payment through your Payoneer accounts, you are going to be receiving payment every week. You can see it right here, weekly payment. So if you choose PayPal, you are going to be receiving it monthly. So I recommend you choose Payoneer because it's available worldwide. Everywhere in the world, Payoneer is available and you can use it to receive money. You can see the minimum payout is £5. So just click on next step. Once you click on next step, you can see fill your Clickworker profile. Just click on got it so that you can then proceed to your dashboard. Once you provide your details and then come to the jobs, you can see these are the jobs available right now that I can perform to earn money on Clickworker. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the job so that you can perform and then earn money on this website. For example, you can see this one right here, help train an identification application. So this is an application that I'm supposed to test. Once I test it, I have to give my honest review about what I have experienced with the app so that the owner of the app can get to know whether it's usable or not. So just click on details. Once you click on details, if you like the job, just click on start now so that you can perform the task. Once you click on start now, you can see the instructions that you are supposed to follow. You can see task description. These are the things that they need from you. So just scroll down and then read. If you like it, you are going to perform the task. So as you can see right here, everything that you are supposed to do. So what you are going to do is that just copy the Zoom link so that you can do whatever that you are supposed to do. Once that is done, just click on send job so that they will verify that you have done the job. If you don't like it, click on skip so that you can move to the next job. So anytime you want a job, just come to jobs, click on that so that you can get the available jobs to perform so that you can be earning money on this website. If you don't want to perform a job, just come right here, invite a friend. So you can invite a friend to this website and you are going to be paid. You can see you will get a referral bonus to the sound of £5 as soon as that new Clickworker earns and get paid out £10. So anytime you refer people to this website, if they earn up to £10, you are going to be receiving £5 bonus. So that is one of the easiest way that you can use to earn money on this website. You can just click right here to get your referral link. Once you get your referral link, they have a message here that you can copy and then use it to market this website so that you can get people to join this website through your referral link. So anytime you get people to perform the task and earn up $10, you are going to be paid. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.